Good morning. It's not really so early now, but I wasn't feeling like doing too much today, so I began to feel hungry and I came to do my yerba mate. I have this cracker, I have cheese, and I have this pepperoni, and I think I will eat this before I do any plan for my day off. It's beginning to get sunny. I think it will be a nice day. Since the other day I've been doing again some of my stickers because I think I can use them better than what I have, but it's just a test and we will see how it works. I did these ones that are like all the areas that I usually go and clean. Then I did these ones that will be more like Thanksgiving, wedding anniversary, fall decor, Halloween decor, you know, like the fall related. And I put some like for baking, crafting related to Halloween, or more here for birthday decoration, presents. It's kind of like playing with all that I have and what I can use in my agenda. And I use these papers that are like the Avery. I hope I say it in the right way. Avery. And let me see. I have a long time. This is online labels. I used to do my stickers with these, and I have some boxes left, so I'm using those. But you can find this kind of paper in any store or on Amazon. I will put a link, and if you like, maybe I will be able to do some kind of downloadable papers that you can just print on one of this page and then just cut with very careful and use them if you want. I think I will do that. Right now I will organize my agenda because I have so much to do and only 2 days off. So I was doing my, this is my 2-3 years agenda or whatever, and when I was doing this I'm like, wait, I want to do something different today. I feel like going back to this one. If you remember, I bought this, maybe, I don't know if I mentioned that I got this. No, I don't think so. I got this just for home. I switched totally from having one that it goes also to work. I have a small one for work, and I was thinking, so these pages actually comes in this way, right? By the way, the next time that I buy this kind of agenda will be no one of these. I will look something that has just neutral colors, no graphics, no nothing. This one I bought just because it went on sale, and it was like, I think like $8 on sale. So let me explain. Usually comes like errands, calls and email, focus, to buy, bills to pay, and then you have dates here and the days of the week, right? If you want, you can usually put in the day of the week if you're doing your cleaning specific days. For me it's really hard because I work and my schedule goes from one side to another, so it's hard for me to really work things in every day. I wish, but I will be honest, I get so tired after work and I don't feel like doing that. So what I did is like I covered the days and I separated each one of the areas with what I will have to do. So exactly what I was doing here, and that was the reason I came to that one. And I cover, instead of errands, I put reading. The same by here. Instead of emails and call, I put craft projects, and then I left these two for whatever I want. Here I was going to put my sorry, I should do it since the next week. Now I have to do like steps and my weight, maybe or something like that. You know, I it's so open to more of this. What I like is like I have the space to write more about the details of what I have to do. So I think that will be great. And you just can turn in that way and continue. Let's go to clean. Oh my gosh, they have the sunflowers look so cute. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, first things, let's take care of these. I have all these that I need to change the elastic, so I will take care later. This will be one of my crafting projects. We will put one side, and this needs to be cut and put there. So let me take care of these, clean these. This goes back to a place. This belongs to, this is now garbage, and this will go in my crafting book so I don't forget the sizes. So let's take care of all this. jump now on the cleaning of my stuff. Heidi, are you coming outside? Are you coming? Come with your brother. Good girl. Sorry. Trying to keep them outside. I put my hair up like this way because I want to do this cleaning. My kitchen looks like a big explosion happened. The name is my husband, the guilty one. Yes, so I will do a deep cleaning on my stove. That's part of the plan that I have today. That means that and this. So let's begin with the cleaning. My nails are not looking amazing, but I'm still going to use gloves for this part because it's a lot of scrubbing. I usually have gloves for everything, like the bathroom ones, and then I have another for the kitchen and another for cleaning, but they are getting old and I got a new one here. I think I need to get different colors so I can differentiate them easier too. Let's do this. My arms are hurting with all this cleaning. Now you see why we don't clean this stuff very deep often. It takes forever, and every of these ones, they are so heavy. Oh, a nice workout. Okay, let's finish this part. We are almost done with the heavy part. my bread has to wait there. And we put away this, and this is so delicious. Love it.